This is our first money problem. A basketball costs 4 times as much as a baseball. Sally bought 10 basketballs and 22 baseballs. In total, it cost her $496. How much does a baseball cost? Now we will use the chart to show the information that we have based on the question. As we know, there are 22 baseballs and 10 basketballs. The value of the baseballs is 22x. The value of the basketballs is 10 times 4x. In total, added these together, these equal $496. Now we can do our let and then statement. Let x represent the value of a baseball. Then let 4x represent the value of a basketball. Now we can make the equation. Let 22x plus 10 times 4x equals 496. Now we use the distributive rule to simplify the equation. This ends up being 22x plus 40x equals 496. Now let's simplify again. 22x plus 40x equals 496. Therefore, 62x equals 496. Now to isolate the x, we divide both sides by 62. So, x now equals 8. Now we can make our therefore statement. Therefore, the cost of a baseball is $8.
This is a money problem. It looks very hard, but it's actually quite easy. You're at your favorite ice cream shop. Your favorite ice cream is $11.70. In your wallet, you only have dimes and quarters. You have the perfect amount, and you have twice as many dimes as quarters. How many of each do you have? First, you have to make a quantity and value table, which is shown right here. Then, you must make your let and then statement. The let and then statement will tell you what x will represent. So, let x represent quarters. Now let's fill in our chart. Now we'll make the then statement. Then, let 2x represent the number of dimes. Now let's go back to the chart. Since we know quarters are 25 cents, the value of the quarters would be 25 times x. The same would be for dimes, because since we know that dimes are 10 cents, we times 10 by 2x. We also know that if you add both of them together, it would equal 1,170 cents. The equation isn't very hard. All you have to do is 10 times 2x plus 25x equals 1,170. Now let's use the distributive rule. So 10 times 2x equals 20x plus 25x equals 1,170. Then we add 20x and 25x, which will equal 45x, equals 1,170. Then, to eliminate the x, we have to divide both sides by 45. So 45x divided by 45 equals x, and 1,170 divided by 45 equals 26. Now we know the value of x is 26, so now we can figure out the quantity of the dimes. Now we go back to the beginning, and as we know, x times 2 equals the quantity of the dimes. So we can now plug in the value of x. So x times 2 equals 26 times 2. Now we know that dimes equals 52. Now we can write our therefore statement. Therefore, there are 26 quarters and 52 dimes. Now we know the quantity of the... Therefore is our
Wait, Theo, what am I supposed to do? Theo!